In triangle DEF, J and L are midpoints of ED and D and FD, respectively. Given that EF equals vector F, vector EF equals F, and vector ED equals D, prove that JL equals half F, or half of vector F, or vector JL equals half of F. So what we do here is obviously to mark the vectors. So EF, so that's EF is given as F, and we've been given ED, so that is in this direction ED, that is D. So, and we have to prove JL, so I'll join JL, so equals half vector F. So to start with, you see J is a midpoint of ED. J is a midpoint, so we can say that EJ equals JD, and that equals half of D, half of ED, half of ED. So EJ equals JD equals half of ED, and that equals half of D. So we can say EJ equals JD equals half of D. And now you see ED plus DF equals EF. Also ED plus DF equals EF. Now ED, we know ED is D, so we write D plus DF we don't know, and that equals EF, and that is F. So DF equals, sorry, my handwriting is not perfect, it looks like DP. It's not DP, it's DF. So DF equals F minus D. So we now know DF. So if we have to find, which we have to find JL. So half of DL equals, now we know that DL equals LF, because L is a midpoint. So then DL, LF, so we know DF, so we can write DL equals LF equals half of DF. So we will now write DL equals LF equals half of F minus D. Okay, so half of F minus D. So we have figured out, we know what DL is and we know what JD is, so we just have to find what JL is. So now we can write JD. I'll change the pen color so it looks easier to understand. So JD plus DL equals JL, and JL is what we have to prove is half F. So JD, we know what JD is, half D, plus DL, we know what DL is, half of F minus D, and that should be equal to JL. So we remove the brackets, we can write half D plus half F minus half D equals JL. So we can cancel out this half D and minus half D. So we can write from this that therefore JL, sorry, the arrow was wrong way. Sorry, JL, I mean to say JL equals, therefore JL equals half F. And that's proved.